guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to share with you guys a quick little project share. It is like the cutest little thing ever, you guys, that I made using these paper pads. So I had some scraps from both. You guys saw in my previous video, I made this a 4x4 size mini album. But I still had, not big scraps, but slightly bigger scraps. Not big enough as this, but, still something I could do with it. And I came across a video of somebody that made something like this, and it was the cutest thing ever, and I had to give it a try. So I'm going to share with you guys what I made because it is just so adorable. So it's also been really fun to see like how I'm smashing this these two paper pads. I started off with like a big project and slowly they have been getting smaller and smaller and smaller, and it's just kind of so fun to see the progression of like what I'm still making even with like little scraps. So aside from this was already fairly small. It was a 4x4 size mini album. So aside from that, like I said, I came across a video, and the video was actually by Heather from Covered by Grace Creations. She shared a project that her mom made because they have a craft shop together. So she shared a project that her mom made, and they're these cute little like keychain little brag book albums. So I had some little scraps. I also had chipboard scraps, so all of these are made of chipboard as well. And I decided to make this. It's so cute, you guys. So shout out to Heather's mom for coming up with this little cutie, and thank you to Heather for sharing it with us. So I made one because honestly it was a great way to use up my scraps, and this just turned out to be like the cutest little thing ever. And I feel like these would be really cute in a baby theme as well, for like little baby brag books, maybe a newborn child, a new grandchild, whatever. And it's just so cute. And then this one I just thought would be cute just for like Valentine's Day. Have you and your partner some great photos, maybe how you started in one of them, and then as the years progress you guys have like another family photo, and then maybe your family got larger, or whatever you want it to be. But I just used some scraps. Like I said, I added this keychain. I'm glad I had this like keychain thing already in my stash. So you can literally just attach this to your keys. And by the way, you guys, this is available in my Etsy shop in case you guys want to purchase it. It's a cute little like mini. It's got a little tassel charm, a couple of like little other beads here as well that are like wire wrapped. Some of them are wire wrapped. So that is just really cute. And I just decorated the cover a little bit. It says hello love. So these have 5 pages. Yeah, so 5 chipboard pages. The chipboard itself measures 2.5 by 2.5. So this is going to be perfect for 2x2 size photos. A lot of us have like those little wallet images. If you guys still do that, I don't know. But you could just print out little 2x2 size photos, and these are perfect. And then if you add a 2x2 size photo, you still have the paper border around it, which is really cute. So I probably wouldn't do anything on the cover or the back cover. There is a total of 5 pages, but that means there is, I think, space for 8 photos inside. So let's count together. So this is what it looks like on the inside. So 1 and 2. Now here I do have a little pocket that I made with some scraps, and I included this little tag. You don't have to use this as a tag. You could add a smaller photo back here if you'd like, and then still have this as like a little tuck spot, or just take that out and add your 2x2 photo over that pocket and kind of close it up that way. So that is one space where you can add a photo. So that's 1, 2. Then you have 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then 7 and 8. So yeah, I wouldn't add anything to the back, just make it look like a keychain. So front and back I wouldn't add anything. So 8 photos on the inside, but that's just really cute, you guys. I thought this was adorable, and this is a great way to use up your scraps, whether it's a baby theme, maybe your wedding photos, a wedding theme, maybe a little anniversary. And then when that season is over, you could just like hang this up on like, I don't know, like a pegboard wall or something and just hang it up, or I don't know. It's really cute, you guys. And this is, you could also even do one of these to hang on the tree in some Christmas themes. You could have like, you could hang it on the tree as like a little stocking stuffer, or put it in a stocking stuffer, in a stocking for like a stocking stuffer gift. You could do Christmas themed ones, like your family photos, and this is just really cute. So I thought that was a really cute idea. I got to use up, like I said, my chipboard scraps, my paper scraps, and it turned out so cute, you guys. I love it. So I just wanted to do like a quick little project share because this was something different that I haven't seen before. And honestly, it was such a great way to use up those like smaller pieces, because like I said, my projects have been getting smaller and smaller as I've been smashing that paper pad and sharing with you guys all the projects I've been making and kind of taking you guys along with me. So I really wanted to share this. So very, very cute project. Absolutely adorable. Like I said, it's available in my Etsy along with a bunch of other Valentine's Day projects that I have listed that I have been making. So definitely check it out. And yeah, well, I hope you guys get inspired to use your scraps to smash some paper pads, to maybe join in on the Paper Stash Smash collaboration and use that hashtag as you smash your paper pads. And yeah, so that is everything, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next crafty video. Bye.